Hi, this is Gary with Aldan American. Today we're going to install the front coilover kit on this Turbo Regal. Come along and check it out. Here we are at the front of our Turbo Regal. So I'm going to take the spindle off. You don't have to take the spindle off to install the kit. I'm going to do it so that you can see the process of doing the installation. So we have to disconnect the sway bar, remove the spindle. We have to disconnect the lower ball joint, and normally the lower arm will drop out and you can put everything in. We're going to install our rear shocks on our Turbo Regal. This particular Turbo Regal, about 15 years ago, had one of the Curbin GNX rear suspensions installed. The way the suspension mounts with the panhard rod and the brackets, it does not allow us to use our direct fit coilover kit. So we're going to retain the original springs and use our shocks.